Jumanji as well. Wait a minute. I can see it a bit better now because it looked a bit blurry. Ricin, that's the ricin. Most poisonous plant in the world. The castle bean. Oh, look at these frogs. Oh, they're poison. Did you see these poison frogs, Tom? Tom, could you see the frogs? They must be really small. Okay, come in. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, the parrot is back. Hello. Is this Rainbow? Remember, this is Rainbow palette. Is that the one? Rainbow, Rainbow. Who's a pretty boy? Is it a boy or a girl? You a pretty boy or a girl? Who's a pretty girl? Hello. Hello, Rainbow. Hello, Rainbow. Can Rainbow say hello? Is Rainbow happy? Rainbow. Rainbow. Hello. 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 Yeah. He did all dancing for us last time, didn't he? You're all quiet today, Rainbow.
He's looking tired.
You look tired. Why don't you get some sleep? Get some sleep, maybe.
Help!
Bye, Rainbow.
It's the Julia.
Bye, Rainbow.
Help! It's the Watcher. I think the Watcher is in there, Mummy. Look.
The Watcher. Oh, in there. Oh, the Watcher is in there.
There's so many.
Look,
Watchers
they're
in there.
pretty flowers. They are. You having fun, Demi?
Yeah.
Do you like seeing the meerkats?
What did you just strip?
It's water. It's a rainforest. That's what happens. Oh, look at these spiky plants. Okay. Oh, are we all going down here? Keep safe now. Oh. Oh, look, the big fish is down by here. Oh, no swimming crocodiles, dangerous. The crocodiles are down there.
With my hand.
I'm holding your hands, lovely, don't worry. Whoa!
Banana.
Oh, look, they've got bananas in here, have they?
Where?